Hey, what is up, YouTube? So today we'll be unboxing this OnePlus 10T. So right off the box here, you have the OnePlus box, and inside we're gonna take a look at it real quick. So it's got the welcome manual, so nothing inside. We got the welcome manual, the SIM card insert slot, the smart guide, and then you have the micro SB, um, micro USB Type C port. So with a USB port and then a Type C port here. It's like a converter almost. And then here is the phone itself. So this is the OnePlus 10T phone. It's relatively light for the phone. Um, and this has the sand finish, the black sand finish. It's actually pretty good feel on the hand, and it doesn't really scratch that easily, so I'm scratching it with my fingernail. You do see slight scratches on it, but overall, it's best for probably for you to put a case on it. So the phone is relatively light on the hand, lighter than I expected for this phone being a 6.7-inch display. And so you power it on, leave it on the side. So where's the power button? All right, let me give you one. So continue with the unboxing. You have the charger brick here. So this is a super fast charger. This is actually, it does weigh like a brick. It's very heavy. So this can charge super fast, and from 0% to this charger can charge your phone from 1% to 100% in just 19 minutes. And it can basically charge your full day's worth of battery in just 10 minutes. So this thing does weigh some weight to it. It's definitely not your normal charger. It's pretty heavy. And then in this box you have the OnePlus wire, USB-C to C. And I'm gonna charge this phone real quick and show you guys the phone. So right now I have the phone plugged in, and it's showing as 1%, and it's plugged into the super fast charger. So we can see how quickly this phone will charge. So right now, the display is 6.7-inch display, 6.7-inch, as I mentioned earlier, and the bezel around all the corners are very slim. It's definitely a premium phone, but in terms of the side, you have the volume button. You have the volume button up and down on the left side, and then for the right side you only have the power button. So it's certainly missing the the silent control that most people want for their phone. And I don't know why it still hasn't gone up yet for the charging. I believe it's because I didn't use the OnePlus Type C cable. I just use their charger brick. So that's probably why it's still stuck at 1%. Um, and in terms of the phone, it does have a plastic back to it, so it doesn't feel as premium in that aspect. But overall, once you slap on the phone case, you probably can't even feel it. But from the front itself, you can definitely see that it is more of a premium phone. And the resolution on this phone is really good. It's got the 120 hertz display, which makes the sliding between the apps a lot smoother. So It has gone up, so it probably does take some time for the charger to warm up. So from the time that we spoke, it went up 3%. But I'm sure if we use the the original OnePlus cable, the red cable will be a lot faster. So stay tuned for more of this. So since then, I have completed the setup, and we're gonna go test out the camera real quick. So they have these night modes, similar to the Pixel. They have the different zoom in the middle, the video, and then the photo option, and then portrait, and then more. Let's see what they have under more. So they have a pro mode, a panel mode, a macro mode, a slow motion mode, time elapse, and dual view video mode. So let's try to see the right now it's showing at 6%. So it is going a little bit quicker now with the charging. But you can certainly see that the display is very smooth and fluid. Just because this is a 124 hertz display, as I mentioned. Now it's going up to 7%. The charging rate has definitely gone faster since we last spoke. So you can see that the switch on the screen is very smooth compared to like a 60 hertz or 90 hertz display. So stay tuned for more video comparison between a Pixel and this OnePlus 10T. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching.